Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put the middle seat up in a Volvo XC90. First, locate the red release strap at the base of the middle seat cushion. Pull this strap firmly upwards. You should hear a click as the locking mechanism disengages. Make sure there are no items or seat belts obstructing the seat's movement. This initial step prepares the seat for its upward transition, ensuring a smooth and easy lift. It's a simple action that unlocks the seat's potential. Once the seat is unlocked, gently guide it upwards. Continue lifting until you hear a distinct click, indicating it has locked into its fully upright position. It's crucial to verify the seat is securely latched. Give it a gentle push and pull to confirm stability. This ensures the seat is safe and ready for a passenger. Always double-check for any items that might be caught underneath or behind the seat, preventing a proper lock. Safety is paramount. With the middle seat now upright and secure, it's time to adjust the seatbelt and headrest. Ensure the seatbelt is routed correctly through its designated guides, free from twists or snags. Then, adjust the headrest to the appropriate height for the passenger who will be using the seat. This provides optimal head and neck support, enhancing comfort and safety during travel. Proper adjustment is key for passenger well-being, especially for children or shorter adults. Finally, perform a quick visual check to confirm all seatbelts are easily accessible and ready for use. Remind any passengers occupying the middle seat to always wear their seatbelt properly throughout the journey. The raised middle seat in your Volvo XC90 offers versatile seating for an additional passenger, making it a convenient option for larger groups. Enjoy the flexibility and enhanced capacity this feature provides, ensuring everyone travels safely and comfortably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.